Discover our new FluoriMax Unit Dose flow-through applicator application. Tear open the foil pouch to expose the brush and ampule. Shake the ampule for 10 to 15 seconds and then twist in the brush until you hear a pop. Hold the brush down and squeeze the ampule to wet the brush on gauze or the back of your glove. Keep the teeth moist due to the hydrophilic shellac. Follow the same 3 dispensing methods as described with the bottle delivery system. For pediatric and orthodontic patients, have the patient bite together and paint one quick swipe on the white line of the facial surfaces from posterior to anterior, allowing the bristles to touch both upper and lower teeth of the mouth. For adult patients, paint one swipe on the facial surface of each quadrant from posterior to anterior. As needed, re-wet the brush on a piece of gauze or the back of your glove. Paint the other quadrants using one quick swipe from posterior to anterior to prevent over-application and create the finished coating for your patients. Enjoy the fastest growing hypoallergenic varnish that uses the lowest dose of fluoride to deliver more fluoride to your patient's teeth. The FluoriMax Unit Doses are available in boxes of 70 units in bubblegum flavor.
Put your hand